Hey students, so today I discuss about multiples and submultiples. So in our first units, the subtopic is multiples and submultiples. Okay, so how to required multiples and submultiples in physics first of all. So what is its necessary? So main discussed. So what are multiples and submultiples? How to use in physics? Okay. For example, so what is the distance between Delhi to Agra? So asking to you. So you say that nearly 200 kilometers. Okay. So this is the distance between our country capital Delhi to Agra cities. Okay. So this is can be written 200 kilometers. So 000 meters. Okay. So 1 plus 10 plus 100 thousands. So 2 lakhs. Okay. So 2 lakhs meters. This is the distance from Delhi to Agra. So in meters. So this is the quantity. This is the unit meter. So this is the quantity 200. This is the unit to kilometer. So this total number simply we can write to 200 kilometers. Here K is a kilo. So kilo is the prefix. Okay. Here K is the kilo. K means kilo. Kilo means 10 power 3 thousand. Okay. So distance in terms of very small units, the given number is very large. Okay. This large number you can write in small form. So some prefix to add this number. Okay. This is the kilo is the prefix, that is the multiple of hundreds, tens. Okay. Now, so this is one of the example. So here kilo is the multiple or prefix. So now in very small measurements, for example, size of the nuclei. Okay. So size of the nuclei we can write in as nearly 10 power minus 15 centimeters. Okay. So size of the atom 1 angstrom, 10 power minus 10 meters. This is the size of the atom. Okay. 10 power minus 15 meters. 15 meters is the size of the nuclei. Okay. So here 10 power minus 10 can be written as 1 by 10 power 10. That equals to 0.00000. Here 10 by 0.00001. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 10 meters. So this is the size of the atom. Okay. Generally, this is a very small number, but in return, this is a very large numbers. Okay. This is this total number we can written in simple form 10 power minus 10 meters. Here 10 power minus 10 can be written as 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom. Okay. Here angstrom is the submultiple of the units. Okay. In first example, so the total distance from Delhi to Agra is 2 lakhs meters. Okay. That is a big number, large number. So that large number can be simplified in terms of kilometers. So 200 kilometers. Okay. So kilo is the multiple of tens. In that example. But here size of the atom is very small value. That is 0.00000001 meters. Okay. This total number can be simply written as 10 power minus 10 meters. Here 10 power minus 10 is the 1 angstrom. So here angstrom is the submultiple of the tens. Okay. So simply, so what is multiple? What is submultiple? So multiple or submultiple are the units. Okay. Units which use it to measure very large numbers. Units which use it to measure very large numbers called multiples. Okay. So units which use it to measure very large numbers are called multiples. Similarly, units which use it to measure very smaller numbers are called submultiples. Okay. So multiples means the units which are used to measure very large numbers. Okay. Submultiples is known as units which are used to measure very smaller numbers. Okay. The difference between multiples and submultiples. Okay. Here, so many types of multiples and submultiples. This is a very important topic in both physics, chemistry, and also maths. Okay. So in chemistry, most probably problems are given in size of atom, size of nucleus, size of radius of the nucleus, such problems. In all problems, submultiples are used. Okay. In our physics, there is gravitation concept. Okay, space concept, there are very large units are used. So in that case, multiples are used. Okay. So see the diagram. So this is the table of multiples. Okay. This is the table of submultiples. This is the submultiples. Submultiples. Okay. So generally in multiples table. Okay. So here just 10 multiples. Here 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 6, 10 power 9, 10 power 12, 10 power 15, 10 power 18, 10 power 21, 10 power 24. Here in all cases, powers in positive. Okay. They are all powers of 10 in positive. Here 10 power plus 1, 10 power plus 2, 10 power plus 3, 10 power plus 6, 10 power plus 9, 10 power plus 12, 10 power plus 15, 10 power plus 18, 10 power plus 21, 10 power plus 24. So these multiples simply used some prefix with some symbol. Okay. So this multiple simply used with some prefix and also used with a small symbol. Okay. So 10 power 1 is called prefix called deca. So 10 power 1 is deca. Its symbol is Da. Okay. So 10 power 2 is hecto. Hecto. Symbol is small h. Okay. Yes, small h. 10 power plus 3 is called kilo. Okay. So kilo symbol is K. Okay. 10 power plus 6. This is mega. 10 power plus 6 is mega. Symbol of prefix of mega is capital M. Here capital M. So 10 power 9. Okay. So 10 power 9 called with prefix giga. Giga. So giga symbol is capital G. Here 10 power 12 is usually with prefix tera. The symbol capital T. So 10 power 15 is usually with prefix peta, peta, P-E-T-A, peta, with symbol capital P. So 10 power 18 is called with prefix hexa, with the symbol E. Okay, 10 power 21 is a zeta, zeta, with the symbol Z. Last one 10 power 24, yota. Okay, yota with symbol Y. Okay, once again. So 10 power 1 is deca, 10 power 2 hecto, 10 power 3 kilo, 10 power 6 mega, 10 power 9 giga, 10 power 12 tera, 10 power 15 peta, 10 power 18 hexa, 10 power 21 zeta, 10 power 24 theta. Okay, these are the all multiples. Okay, these multiples are used to measure very large numbers. Okay, these all multiples are used measure very large numbers. So similarly, see this type. These are the submultiples. These are the submultiples which are used to measure very smaller values, very smaller quantities. So in this table, just 10 submultiples. Just 10 submultiples. So first one 10 power minus 1. So multiples are all powers in positive, submultiples are in all negative. Okay. So 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 9, 10 power minus 12, 10 power minus 15, 10 power minus 18, 10 power minus 21, 10 power minus 24. Okay. So these are submultiples. So what type of prefix are used? What type of prefix are used? What are the symbols of submultiples? So in the next column. Okay. So 10 power minus 1 is called with prefix deci. Deci. Okay. Its symbol is small d. We are deca. Okay. Deca da. Deci d. Next one 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 is centi. Symbol is small c. 10 power minus 3 usually with prefix milli. Milli. Symbol is small m. Okay. 10 power minus 6 usually with prefix micro. Micro. Okay. Usual symbol is mu. So this is mu. This is a Greek word, Greek letter mu. Okay. 10 power minus 9 usually with prefix nano. Nano. Symbol is small n. 10 power minus 12 is named as pico. Here 10 power plus 12. Okay. Tera. 10 power minus 12 pico. So with the symbol small p, with here small p, capital P. 10 power 15 plus 15 here, 10 power plus 15 is peta. So capital P, symbol is capital P. Here 10 power minus 15 is femito or Fermi. Okay, femito. Usual symbol is small f. Small f. Okay. Next one, 10 power minus 18 is atto. Atto. 10 power minus 18 is used with prefix atto. Symbol is small a. Next one, 10 power minus 21. 10 power minus 21 is zepto. Zepto. So symbol is small z. Symbol is small z. Last one, 10 power minus 24 is hecto. Hecto. 10 power minus 24 hecto. Usually with symbol y. Okay. So this is a deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femito, atto, zepto, hecto. So these are all submultiples. In this table, deca, hecto, kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa, zeta, eta. Okay, these are all called multiples. So multiples or submultiples. So in our question bank, so many types of questions are required. Okay, first, so given 10 power 18. So what is the prefix of 10 power 18? Question is asking, what is the prefix of 10 power 18? The prefix of 10 power 18 is exa. Okay. So what is the symbol of submultiple of 10 power minus 15? Okay. What is the symbol of prefix of 10 power minus 15? So 10 power minus 15 is femito. The symbol is small f. So answer is small f. That type of questions are asking. So multiples, submultiples, multiples used to measure very large quantities. Okay. Submultiples are used to measure very smaller numbers, quantities. So this is the importance of multiples and submultiples. So now, how can write units? So how two rules for writing units? Already discussed about two rules. So first of all, the units, the symbol of unit is the name of honorable scientist. Symbol of unit is the name of honorable scientist. So written in always capital letters. Always in capital letters. First of all, the symbol of unit is the name of scientist. Always write in capital letters. Example, unit of force, Newton. So Newton is the name of the scientist. So symbol is N. So always write in capital letters. Okay. So second point, the symbol of unit is not a name of scientist. So in case of symbol of unit, not a name of scientist, always written in small letters. Example, milli or second. So second, small s. Okay. Third one. But suppose you write full form of the unit. Full form of the unit. So is the name of the scientist or not the name of the scientist? In both cases, written in a small letters. Newton. So Newton or second. So both